Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think that this is very likely going to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern to the downside for a wave 4 before it goes up and makes a wave 5. Keep in mind that this wave 4 will probably last around the same time as this wave 2, so we're probably looking at least a 5 or 6 month correction, which means we probably have several months less left before this wave 4 is complete. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now it looks like a possible wave A, it looks like a possible wave B is already complete, and it kind of looks like it needs to just keep on going down for a wave C. Now there is a possibility that this is actually going to end up being like a wave A, and this is a wave B, and it goes up again to complete the wave B. So like this is an A, B, C of B. So we definitely need to keep that in mind as a likely possibility. For now, there's no proof that this move down is over, so I think on the sort of time phase we should be looking for sorts. And if it just keeps on going down while we're looking for sorts, then that's no problem in my book. Going down to the daily, now all the yen pairs are definitely turning up pretty strong, but I do not think that this downtrend is over. It really looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. I think if anything, we're probably just starting a wave 4, and we're eventually going to go down again for a wave 5. So I don't really think that this trend is going to be over anytime soon, because this is the daily time frame, and I would expect this wave 4 to probably take at least 3 to 5 business days or trading days to complete. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do definitely have a break of structure to the upside, which I think proves that this whole last section of downtrend is over. Now, I think this last section of downtrend right here is actually a wave 3. I think up here we have a wave 1 and a wave 2, which means that we're probably in an A, B, C of wave 4, which I would expect to go minimum to the 38%. Could go up to the 50% also before it goes down again to make a wave 5. Remember that I said this is probably going to take at least 3 to 5 trading days to complete. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a nice little break of structure. I definitely think this move up is very likely a wave A, which it doesn't have to be over yet. It could drift up more. Eventually, I think it's going to make a push to the downside, which would be a crescent 2 to move up. Wave B. Then I would expect to see another push up for wave C, eventually probably making its way up to about the 38, maybe even the 50% for this wave 4, ABC of 4, before it goes down again to make a wave 5 to complete this higher time frame pattern, which is a likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.